You have imbalance Vata, you have imbalance pitta and imbalance kapha. Which practice, a specific practice you should do? Such kind of questions I'm receiving many times. So our today's practice is based on one very important Kriya which work for all these three doshas imbalances. You don't need to learn specific for particular dosha. If you do only this Kriya, this will balance all these three doshas and cure the problems based on imbalance of any these three doshas. The practice which we are learning today is from 17th century practice given by Srinivas Bhatta, one of the great Hatha yogis at that time. He is saying, kapha dosham nihantyeva, pitta dosham jalodbhavam, kapala shodhanam chapi, brahma chakram vishuddhyati. It means this practice is not only balancing kapha, pitta and vata, but it is also opening brahma chakra. Brahma chakra means your top head, above the Vishuddhi, Brahma door, which is your Sahasrar. It means this practice is also cleaning the pathways of Brahma chakra. This practice is very important for Sushumna Nadi. So the prana can travel not only right and left, also can enter and penetrate the Sushumna center, which is in the spine. So this practice is not only balancing Vata, Pitta and Kapha dosha, but also clearing the path of Sushumna so that you can grow spiritually. Practice it advanced. So those who are already having heart issues, those who are having intense constipation issues, migraine or any kind of imbalances emotions, those who are hypertension, they will avoid this practice because this is very advanced. Before that, you go for some other techniques such as balance your doshas. I have made a detailed video to understand what is your body type, what is your dosha. Link will be in description. From there you can understand what is your body type. Based on this you can choose your food, you can choose your activities. Namaste everyone, welcome back to your YouTube channel Prashant J Yoga. This is Prashant, founder of Yoga Vidya School, one of the traditional yoga school in India. The practice which I'm talking about today is called Kapalbastri. You have heard Kapal Bhati, you have heard Bhastrika Pranayam, right? This is a combination of these two practices. Kapalbastri is the practice where you are moving the head right and left while doing your Kriya. Why you're moving right and left head like that? Because from the neck, the Vishuddhi, the Udana Vayu activation happens. Udana Vayu is a Vayu, the pranic force which moves upward and open the upper chakras. It helps the pranic flow to reach the Brahmarandra, which is Sahasrar. So when you move, you are opening the blockages into this area, which is not allowing your pranic flow to go upward direction. So this Kriya helps you with the force movement of the neck, helps you to clean the Sushumna path, Sushumna center, and allows the prana to enter to Sushumna Nadi. Those who are not able to concentrate, those who are not able to meditate, those who always feel low energy, low confidence, for them it's the best work. So the Kriya is you are doing inhalation and exhalation forcefully. See, inhale and exhale means Bhastrika is involved. Kapal Bhati is involved because you are taking the belly movement. Bhastrika is involved because inhalation is also faster. So Bhastrika is there because inhale is faster. Kapal Bhati is there because you are taking the belly in and out. Okay, so the Kriya is see, inhale forcefully and with exhalation tummy goes back. And now you are involving, adding the movement of the head. So right side. You see that? So when you take the head right, forcefully, one Kapalabhastri there, left side, one Kapalabhastri there. So see here, first 5 rounds I'll show you and then you will do with my instruction. So closing the eyes, now see. Complete exhalation. Now turn the neck to the right side, left side. And then relax in the center. And then observe what is happening. You will feel in the beginning that little dizziness, little numbness at the brain, maybe fainting sensation that you feel that a little bit you are falling down. Just stay quiet, take 30 seconds without any movement. You will notice that everything is balanced. You will notice that you are calm. You will notice that meditation is easier now. Okay, so this is the Kriya. First round start with a 7 number. Then second round go for 10 time, and the third is 10 time. 3 round with 7 cycle first, 10 cycle and then 10. Right and left is 1. So 7 times. So inhale right, exhale right, inhale left, exhale left, so like that, 7 times. After this, then you can balance with an Anulom Vilom Pranayam. So these are the combination. Anulom Vilom is a combination with this, will help you to balance the Vata, Pitta and Kapha, open the channel Brahmarandra and balance these two Nadi, which is Pingala and Ida, sun and moon, or right and left nostril. Let's do first round with me 7 times. Okay, let's sit straight. Make sure that your body is empty. You're not doing this Kriya in the evening, you're doing this Kriya in the morning. You're not doing this Kriya right after food. Make sure 3 hours gap you have. Spine straight, and now just relax the body first. Take deep inhale and exhale. And start. Now relax, center. Observe your entire body quietly. Just stay quiet. Let's get ready for the second round. This time we'll reach 10 times. Deep inhale first. Exhale complete. Empty your lungs. And with a new inhalation, forceful inhale and exhale with involvement of your navel while exhaling. And start. Now again relaxed and quiet. Observe each and every part of the body and sensations. No any movement, any part of the body. Complete silence. Now balance the practice with Anulom Vilom. Close your right nostril with right hand thumb. Now with inhalation, left nostril in. Exhale right. Inhale right. Exhale left. Inhale left. Exhale right. Inhale right. Exhale left. Inhale left. Exhale right. Inhale right. Exhale left. Hands down on your knees. With both nostril, one single inhale and both nostril exhale. Palms together and rub your palm. Place it to the eyes and then gently open your eyes. So that is Kapalabhastri Kriya. Continue with Anulom Vilom Kriya. Try this Kriya, share this video with others and join our regular classes to strengthen your sadhana. Link will be in description. The new video I will again see you. Namaste. Take care.